Hi, this is Karen with OLTI, and this is the matte Pat McGraw Color Christie. I'm completely over the moon with this revolutionary powder in and a bullet smooth matte lipstick. I really love the formula. I really believe that this matte lipstick is the best one out there. It doesn't leave this feeling of a dry matte. It's more like a really smooth, velvety feeling. Just one swipe, and it's a full coverage. It's an ultra violet color. It feels weightless. It's super flexible and adherent. I really like the texture. I really enjoy whenever I'm applying to my lips because I don't feel like my lips are sticking to each other. And that's my point of view.